काय कसं बनवायचं? फ्रंट कॅमेरा बॅक कॅमेरा.
Hello friends, hello to everyone, and thanks to Amol give me good platform for me. So I start today my recipe start. I'm cooking bajra ka omelette. So let's start. Now I'm showing you ingredients. This one is bajra's grain flour. Okay, this half tomato, one onion, cutted onion, cumin seed powder, curd, roasted seed, roasted cumin seed, coriander, and I'm using here olive oil. Olive oil is very good for health. Okay, so now start I'm this recipe. One is tomato, cumin seed powder, roasted cumin. I'm using here half spoon, coriander, and I'm using here curd. So I want a little bit more, so I'm using curd. This is very healthy omelette. I'm using here sando meat, namak. Bit water have to work. It's very healthy for children, senior citizens. We have to make it. See, this is the thickness of omelette. See, this is very hygiene and immunity booster omelette. I am using some olive oil. It's a quick recipe, breakfast recipe, and a winter recipe. So let's get start. We can make in only 10 minutes. So Thanks friends watching my healthy recipe. My all recipes are very healthy, tasty. So you try this recipe for children especially. Everyone can use olive oil. So now I'm applying. See, you have to check. No. Little bit it's not ready. We can eat this omelette with curd, green chutney. Oh, I'm cooking another. Bajra is a grain, small gray colors of grain. So it's a very tasty, healthy, and I am using also in. We can use also makhana's atta. So now our omelette is ready. Hello, hello Lawrence. Hello Ratnavar. Kanika, hi. No need to cover. I'll flip this. Thank you for suggestion. If we want it's a crunchy, we can make crunchy, but we need to some more oil. So I want crunchy now. My son is very happy. Thanks to all watching this my recipe, and thanks Amul again. As I'm a yoga trainer, I'm trying my this recipe for only for me, but I'm cooking in olive oil. If anyone don't want to this oil, they can cook in any types of oil. And some preparation, we can eat this nice omelette, eat with curd, green chutney. I'm using here Amul Masti Dahi. Now we can check our omelette. See, our omelette is ready. See, ready. One more, I'm cooking. I'm cooking on my laddu. I'll show you once this finished. माझ्याकडे की नाही Friends, try this omelette. It's very awesome. You can try any type of oil. It's very yummy, tasty, healthy. So now I'm next omelette flipping. It's very simple recipe. Hi Shumita. Hi. Hi Kanika. Yes, I can repeat, but hi Kanika, I can repeat this recipe, but you can see my channel Nutan Tendulkar's Kitchen. Thanks Sushmita. See, next omelette is ready. So, wow. Okay, I'm checking now. Okay, it's complete. Our bajra omelette is ready. So we can eat this bajra omelette green chutney, green pudina chutney, shekdana peanut chutney, curd. Okay, guys, I am telling you one thing. I am cooking this laddu. This is a dink dry fruit laddu. Okay, this one is ragi laddu. This one is a authentic Maharashtrian laddu. Okay, and this one is laddu. This all I am cooking with only Amul ghee. So you try all recipe in Amul ghee. Okay, and eat with Amul. So now I'm starting this very crunchy. See, this is very crunchy. See, look, see, crunchy. Okay, now I'm eating. Awesome, guys. And Amul, very thank you. Thanks for this platform, and I'm very happy. I hope you are also happy. Please watch my other recipes too. Okay, thank you.